We are breathing new air. We are working at the edge of the research in the area of reconfigurable computing. What was considered the future is the present. FPGAs have been included into the cloud infrastructures. They are now used both to accelerate infrastructure, backend computation, and exposed as a service that can be used by anyone. There is still room for research and improvements, and the time cannot be better under this perspective. We need new platform creation tools, monitoring and profiling infrastructures, better runtime management systems, static and dynamic workload partitioning, just to name a few possible areas of research. Just to give you an example of the reason why I'm so excited to be a researcher in this field nowadays, let's go back to 2009. And in doing this, I'd like to propose a scenario that we had already encountered. In this picture, we can see a set of 6 functionalities, A to F, and an FPGA that we are willing of using to implement our system. We know that to be able of using the 6 functionalities, we have to properly implement them onto the FPGA. In other words, this means that we have, among the other things, to assign them an area that will be used at runtime to host them. This is bringing us to the situation where we have a set of implementations that are going to be used to configure the FPGA. How? When are we going to do this? Well, as proposed in this example, we won't know this at the design time, because this will be decided by the user of our system. They'll be in charge of deciding when to configure the system by asking for a specific functionality. Now, let me play a bit with this whole scenario. What if, instead of a generic FPGA device, we are going to decide the technology we are interested in using? By doing this, we may say that we are interested in using Xilinx FPGAs. Now, so far, nothing new. This is not something extraordinary or unusual, but I won't stop here. Now, what if, instead of the previous implementations, we are going to add Amazon to the context? Why Amazon? Quite simple. They are integrating Xilinx FPGA in their cloud infrastructure, and they are providing F1 instances through their Amazon Web Services. Do you see where I'm getting? We have been among the first in envisioning a scenario where FPGAs were not only used for private, personal, or corporate objectives, but to serve the needs of others, exposing them as a service. This is super exciting. This is what science is all about, being able to forge the future, to see where the tomorrow will bring us. Well, our scenario is getting definitely more interesting, but it's not yet done. I want to add more. What? A mirror? Am I joking? No, I'm not joking. I'm not joking at all. I'm 100% serious. Do not take the mirror per se, but take it as a symbol. I'm not adding a mirror to that context. I'm adding you. Yes, you got it right. You are now part of the game. With F1 instances, there are no excuses any longer in not using FPGAs. This is huge. This is revolutionary. You are a player in the market. You can sell your design to everybody. You can help others to use FPGA-based solution because of the designs you are making. Okay, I got you. You are not ready yet to make your implementations available to others. You think you want to know more. You need to learn more. Well, this is exactly the new piece of the puzzle we are composing. This is exactly what we are doing now. This is this class, a joint effort of several partners like Xilinx, Politecnico di Milano, Mated, the Next Lab at Polimi, Coursera, and you. This is the future becoming the present. This is what this class is all about, making you more confident in your possibilities, allowing you to explore system opportunities because of FPGA's integration, learning how to design novel solutions by taking advantages of FPGAs. Finally, I need to add you once more into the picture. You are now attending this class. Right now, you are among the people who are asking for functionalities. But we need to move from this context to the one in which, as I said, you are going to play a key active role into this scenario. So, at the end, it is all about you, motivated people, thrilled about the idea of learning and experiencing. I can teach you what an FPGA is and how to design your system based on it. I can show you the path, but you have to make it. And I can assure you, it's super exciting and rewarding. I cannot wait to see what will be the next breaking through innovation because of you.